Hello everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to remove the background from an image using Paint on Windows. It is super simple. Let's get started. First open Google and search for any image you want to edit. For example, professional logo or any object of your choice. Once you find the image, right click and select Copy Image. Now open Paint from your Start menu. Inside Paint, paste the image by pressing Ctrl+V or by right click and choose Paste. Now click on this option below the image. You will see the background removed clearly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial.